Hello everyone, my name is Annalicia Hieronymus, and today I'm going to be talking about the principles and elements of design using Gibson.com as my example today. So first I wanted to talk about focal point, which is what the eye is drawn to the most on the website. So here, let's go back to the home page. All right, and here the focal point is the 2016 Gibson's Best Year Ever product display, where they have these models on display as the focal point of the website. Gibson is a very large and very popular company that makes guitars, so of course it only makes sense to have the product be the center of attention on the home page. The next thing I want to talk about is contrast, which is the position of different forms, whether it's colors, lines, shapes. And in this case, in this website, we have contrast with the bold colors of the product, the black, solid black text, and the white background. Having a white background really gives it that contrast that we need. Next thing I wanted to talk about is balance, which is visual weight. So here we have balance with the Gibson logo at the left of the page, balanced out by the contact information and language selection on the right side of the page. We also have balance with the navigation bar here on the left, balanced out by the search bar here on the right. And scrolling down on the page, it's also balanced out by different selections, different links to pages for the different types of guitars that they have available. The next thing I wanted to talk about is rhythm, which is the repetition of elements. And for the Gibson website, I like to point out the guitars, which is the product, the graphics, as the repetition. As we scroll down, guitars is really a recurring theme on this web page, and it only makes sense because Gibson is a company for guitars, and that is what they are selling. So of course we're going to see, a repetition of that theme. The next thing is perspective, which gives a depth and a sense of movement into the distance. And here, back on the home page, we have some perspective and a little bit of depth in this graphic with the display of guitars. We have the largest one in the center with guitars branching out behind them, giving a sense of depth, so it's not all flat on the screen. And the last part of the elements of design that I want to talk about is unity, which is the sense of all the elements combined into one, feeling like they all belong together. And I really strongly feel this website has strong unity. All the elements flow perfectly together. It's not too busy, there's not too much going on. It's all focused on the same thing, which is the product, the guitars. All right, so that's all that we have for this video. And if you have any suggestions or any comments on what your opinions are of the elements of design used on this website, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thank you for watching, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day.